What is going on, guys? It's been a really weird week in LA. It's been super busy. It's been great. The weather has been terrible. We're right now getting our final sample for the Tata hat. Remember that we were showing you that? I just wanted to be on the same page as you guys because this week we worked on a lot of things. Number one, we came up with the idea of doing our own rental fleet at Galpin. We're working on that right now. In this week, we were able to advance that a lot. So hopefully by next week, we're gonna have the first couple of cars available for people to rent. So that's great. Number two, been working on the restaurant, got the kitchen plans and everything to the architects. So that's getting moved on, and then we're gonna rework the permits right now to make sure that we can start building as we want. Number three, the Tata hats. We're getting there. Right now we're picking up our final hat, the final sample, the perfect one, because this one has a few problems. Farghini's inside, so he'll get it out right now. This is actually a really exciting thing because this is what's launching the next phase of Puku to the people. Because you've seen Puku grow from a backpack company onto whatever you're about to see it now. And I think that journey of that company is gonna be really, really cool to follow. Other than that, we got our radio show with Ski going. We got 3 episodes down, 3 to 4 hours each, so that was a lot. And that will be probably available next week on the Dash Radio app. So all of that is moving forward. I told you guys we got our Sergio, our editor for Salomundo. Sergio's been killing it lately. I'm very happy about that. Sergio's only 19 years old and such a talented fucking dude. So mad respect to Sergio. And here's Farghini. Why are you making that face?
Okay, first
is
of all,
that a good thing?
The one you have,
Yeah.
this logo,
Yeah.
it's a one generation back.
I know. So
One
we
generation
fucked up
back.
in this logo.
Yep.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
is green, right?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. So we decided, you saw the options that we had. We decided on the 6-panel, updated logo, all black hat. Oh my God, that is so delicious, Farghini.
And they can't see the goldness of it right now. But wait until it's
I
sunny
think
out.
it's so epic.
This was one version, and then we went to this final version. This is what Brendan liked, so we're gonna.
So that's it. I like it too because it has more of the outline of Tata rather
Yep.
than just that. And you can see more of her superhero-ness in this one.
Yep.
And all black.
And look at that. I mean, we gotta pay more.
Oof.
We gotta pay more, but I believe
Oof.
for a launch version,
We need it.
Can I ask you this question?
Yes.
Are you okay with this one?
I adore it, this final version. Let me see how that looks. Oh, yes.
Okay.
In all black, can we please put this up?
I think it's ready to go.
I think so too. So there you go.
Ivan, do whatever.
Ivan, do
whatever you gotta do.
Ivan's gonna put the link down below for you to pre-order these hats because the idea is we just wanna make the ones that people want and we're gonna put a number on them. So we're only gonna run this hat that one time for Puku. So if you want one of these Puku hats, make sure to go to the site that's linked in the description down below to get yours. And remember, it's a pre-order, so we're only gonna make the ones that we sold and we're gonna number them accordingly. So, and because it's a launch edition, it's not only a hat launch edition, it's a Puku Pals new business launch edition. It'd be not only very appreciated, not only very special, but we'll add some more stuff to it just to say thank you to you guys.
And the way we're gonna do this is just come to Puku Pals, order it. So if you're in the UK, I'll have those units at the UK fulfillment center.
Yeah.
If you're from Canada, I'll have those in Canada and the US. So you'll get them fast as soon as we make them, and so.
That's what we worked.
appreciative
That's what
of it.
this guy worked on so hard to get all of his Amazon set up because you want to become a seller on Amazon. Every other retailer in this world is disappearing. Amazon's going to be the new way of the world. Amazon's just going to be logistics, your fulfillment for everything. So very important that we do that. And now,
Well, actually, can I just add one more thing? And the more hats you guys buy, the more fuel I can buy for the Raptor. It is true. It's very true. It's very true.
we have an incredible job to do right now. Do you agree?
Yes.
What's that job?
We got to get this car past 500. Actually, we got to get to 498.
Do a pool.
Do a pull, do a 0 to 60 kind of thing, and then at 502 or 501, do a pull and
That's
see
right.
what the difference is.
And also, we got to make sure that the launch control works because, again, just to repeat it, and I know that you guys know it, once this car gets to 500 miles, the car allows you to do launch control. That's all we want to do. And of course, by the way, today's raining like a motherfucker in LA.
Yep.
That's our luck. So we're going to drive the car just all day to finish this out because we got to give it back to Sam at Black and White, which, Sam, thanks again, dude. And we're just going to return it after we try that.
Okay, so what's the miles there?
462.
You want to show that? You want to show the 462?
462 right now.
And then it's
There you go.
42 miles.
And also, we're running out of gas.
Oh, that's the worst part about this whole thing, right? We gotta gas it up and return it.
Damn it. We'll stop by the house and do that.
Okay.
On the way
That's
there.
the mission.
Done.
What is going on?
What's going on? It's called an obstacle. And these come along quite often to us, right?
Ready?
I don't know where the fuck we're gonna be able to do a launch control.
And it's gonna be a violent launch control.
We can't do that on any surfaces like this.
That's it's gonna be the fun part. And I gotta get videos on the outside doing it
But
too.
where?
I don't know.
Where?
We'll figure it out. Well, in the back of Danny's place where the motorcycle places are. We just need
I think that he won't even let us get
on
that
that
property. No.
Okay. All right. We'll find a safe place we can do a
Hey,
launch control.
it's part of it. We're gonna do everything we can to get it done. So that's what we have to do right now. Let's get it done. So yesterday we had some difficulties and some technical problems. I was feeling like crap. I had hernia surgery about 10 years ago or 8 years ago, and I swear to God, it never was like completely resolved. I had the biggest problems just recovery from the surgery, and every now and then, which is what I think I did yesterday, I'll sleep on my stomach and right on my hernia, and it like gets completely swollen where they patched it up, and it hurts like crazy. And for those of you guys who don't know what a hernia is let's just say that a thin layer right here of your muscle opens up and then exposes your intestines, if you will. So it's quite delightful. So the good news is though, we have this at, I believe, 496, baby. Farghini, I was just explaining to everyone the disaster of a day that we had yesterday. Not only that, but today's still raining.
Yes, but a lot less.
Hey, yeah, today we might be able to get away with it. I'd say let's get out of here. The first thing we're gonna do is let's go try to get this into launch control mode.
Okay, we're gonna go out the other entrance.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so we're at 499. What I'm gonna try to do right now is launch control into the freeway. So right here, we're on the freeway. I'm gonna put launch control. It's not gonna let me. And then after we get out off the freeway, then hang on. There you go. Okay, so here we have this one, and here we have 499. I'm gonna try to put it in launch control. Launch control unavailable to new, so still. And then hold it right here, Farghini. And I'm gonna just punch it. And you tell me how many horses we get. Ready?
Go. Wow! That was 6. It didn't go into 7, but can I tell you, I've never felt G-forces like that on my body.
Also, because you're not paying attention,
yeah.
Farghini gets really motion
Oh my
sick.
God. Okay, so I did not see a 700.
No, and you won't see the 700. That's using all of the force of the engine.
Okay.
The myth was 500 horsepower. So we know that that's wrong.
Okay.
And right now we're about to get the 500.
Yes!
That's 500?
Yeah, we're at 500.
Okay.
So we have like a baseline
Of what we did?
Of the 0 to 60.
0 to 60.
5.4.
5.4. So we have a baseline right now that we can use for this.
Yep.
I'm exiting next, and then we're doing a launch.
Let's
and
do
if
it.
we can, then
Wait, lunch or launch?
launch. 503 miles. And here we go. The moment of truth. Ready? Ooh!
It does work.
Whoa! Whoa! What? Oh my God! What we got?
This thing, I don't know if here we go. Here we go. It's gonna
Did
record.
he get it?
Yep.
Oh!
Whoa!
Holy
Hey,
shit!
Alejandro, just listen. That was a Mickey Mouse run we just did. You got 0 to 60, right?
Yeah, 3.8 seconds.
3.8.
Holy shit! It does make a huge difference having the traction control. Like, I mean, it was a 2-second difference almost,
Okay.
right?
Yes. So here's the thing. You got to do that one more time, but I want to get a video of it taking off. We have to get that, and I have I want an angle. I want to get also.
All right, Farghini's claiming that he can do this one epic shot that he's planning on doing in just one take. So I'm just gonna make a U-turn, stop at a red light, and get it on. Oh no, I can't do it there. There's not enough space for the car to go. It's too fast.
Oh yeah, we need a straight.
Yeah, we need a good straight. That's the problem about having super fast cars. There's really not enough street for you to do fuckery
To
around.
even get to like 40, 50 miles an
You
hour.
know what? We can do it. So here goes Farghini's incredible shot.
Like I'm gonna be on that island. What happened?
It has to be like perfectly level.
What do you mean?
Let's get out of here.
Okay. Wait, the car told you I can't do it? What did it say?
We need to go to the other place. It's saying that the car is not level.
That's so funny. Okay,
So let's go.
I almost didn't record.
3.6.
That's
On a truck, I'm 0.2 off from
The
their
factory,
claims,
yeah.
From their claims. So 0.2 off from their claims, and it's wet, and it's been raining nonstop and cold. Cold is good for the engine, though.
Are you trying to say that grandma can go pick this up,
Yeah.
sit in the car, and stomp the gas, and push one button, stomp the gas, and get 3.6 seconds to 0 to 60s?
Yes, and it's epic. And it really is epic. It really is. Oh, Farghini. No, no. God, I love that truck. It's so gorgeous to look at. This is a lot of fun though. Completely different trucks. Not the same use, but wow, this thing is insane. Now, a lot of people are gonna ask me, why won't you buy this one instead of like one of those? The fun that I have in those is completely different than the fun that I can have in this one. And at this point in the garage, I do have a lot of cars right now. I'm still buying a few more, so I need to take it easy on whatever random cars that I buy for myself that are just for fun. So kind of like the Hellcat white body. And I know I sound like such a spoiled brat because I have like just cars for fun, like just to dick around and whatever. And they're still very expensive cars. I understand, and I'm very appreciative of that. So it's just a reality though. And I wish I could buy everything, but I'm not in that place yet. I'm working really hard with everything that I'm doing right now to be able to get to that point. And my ultimate goal in life is not just to have a garage filled with cars, it's just to be able to have enough money to retire, buy a massive property, massive piece of land, and just have all the animals in the world. And that's truly my goal with this. So everything that I'm doing right now, what you guys are seeing us do, the hustle, the grind of 2018, is so that we can be there soon. I mean, soonish. It takes a while to make a couple $100 million, but that's what I'm trying to do. And little by little, you guys will see all of the businesses unfold. I have to be a little quiet on some for a little bit because a lot of good things are happening. And unfortunately, when good things are happening and when the business is growing and there's more people getting involved and all that stuff, you gotta make sure that everyone is okay with what we're doing here online, explaining it and growing it. So that's why you haven't seen a lot of the stuff that is coming, and other stuff you're not seeing because it's just simply strategy, like the taco place. You haven't seen the location because it's strategic. I don't think anyone has ever done what we're about to do with this one. And it's just a little difference. And again, here's my tip for today. Everything in life, when you talk about success, comes down to angles. Every business already exists, but what's your angle on that business? Yeah, limo drivers, limo companies already existed. Cab companies already existed. But what was Uber angle on it? Which is empower everyone that has a cell phone to be able to be an Uber driver. Of course, there's more politics behind it and more things to it. But you get what I'm saying. So always find a fresh angle to everything, and all good things must come to an end. And I think this is going to be the end of the track hog for us today. We're going to deliver it back to Sam and Dan at Black and White, guys. Thank you. And anytime you guys want to put 300-400 miles on a car that you guys have, just call us. I'll gladly do that anytime. Thank you, guys.